afternoon routine. At 12 p.m., my afternoon routine starts. After my online classes, I go to my washroom and wash my face and hand. Then at 12:15 p.m., my lunch is ready. After my lunch, I go to my room and play some mobile games. At 1:30 p.m., I make some YouTube videos. At 2:15 p.m., I edit my videos. From 2:45 p.m. to 3 p.m., I clean my wardrobe and give some water to plants. At 3:15 p.m. to 3:30 p.m., I see some animated movies from mobile on Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. So I don't see full movies, only half. So from 3:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. I sleep because sleep is very important, only for 1 hour. So this is guys my actual afternoon routine, and so if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, so subscribe also. So bye guys, stay home, stay safe.